Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and deciding tool scope. Open Settings System about to check version. Make sure you have administrator rights. If you need complex remaps, download and install Auto Hotkey now. Simple key changes can use settings, ease of access, or built-in hotkeys. Once done, keep a text editor ready for scripts and a backup of current key settings. This saves time and allows safe rollback if something behaves unexpectedly. Now you build the actual remaps. If using Auto Hotkey, create a new awk file and write lines like L-Alt, Lwin or -n, run Notepad, exe, save and run the script as administrator to effect system-wide bindings. For built-in Windows shortcuts, open Settings devices typing or modify registry keys when necessary. Be careful and export the registry key first. Once done, test every shortcut in the apps you use, because some programs override global hotkeys, and you may need app-specific solutions. Finish by making your changes persistent. Place Auto Hotkey scripts into the startup folder or create a scheduled task to run at login so your remaps load automatically. Export any edited registry keys so you can revert quickly, and document changes in a simple text file. If something goes wrong, first terminate the script or restore the registry. Then check for conflicting apps like clipboard managers, gaming overlays, or driver utilities. If a key is unresponsive, test with a keyboard tester to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.